Adwords in Hindi की नए वीडियो सीरीज Need to Know में आपका स्वागत है. In this video, we'll discuss 3 common item level issues your Merchant Center account might face and how to fix them. Let's get started. Item level issues in Merchant Center are issues that impact individual items, from feed processing to data quality and policy violations. To see if your product feed has any such issues, take a look at your Diagnostics tab under Products. Next, click on the item level box to see a breakdown of such warnings and violations. These issues are divided into 3 types: errors, warnings, and notifications. Errors are serious issues and lead to disapprovals, which stops the items from serving. Warnings are issues that are likely to cause disapprovals in the future if they are not fixed. Lastly, notifications exist to highlight recommendations and optimization suggestions for your items. In terms of prioritization, always look to solve the errors first, as they prevent your products from serving. Now that we know how to identify these issues, let's talk about some common item level issues and how they can be fixed. Let's start by talking about product crawl issues. If you see disapprovals in your account stating that we can't crawl some of your products, it's usually because of broken URL links that lead to 404 error pages. You can resolve this by checking your product page URLs and ensuring that they all lead to functional pages. It could also be because you have roboted your page by adding a robots.txt file to your server and prohibited crawl access. This can be fixed by configuring the robots.txt file to allow our bots to crawl your website. Similar to the previous issue, invalid image issues crop up when the link you've specified as the image URL for your product leads to a 404 page and can't be found on the server. It could also occur if you've added the link to a web page instead of an image URL. Lastly, another common disapproval reason is not adding all the required attributes against your products in your feed. In the Diagnostics tab, you can see exactly what the missing attribute might be, along with the section on Learn More to get further information on the attribute and how to add it to your products. Depending on your products, this could be anything from not adding unique product identifiers like MPN, GTIN, and brand to not adding the color of the products in your feed. Once you fix these issues in your feed, go ahead, fetch the feed, or upload it manually so our systems can scan the edited feed. Do keep in mind that the items can take up to 48 hours to be updated and scanned. You can then check the Diagnostics tab to see the current status of the items. We've now covered some common item level issues in Merchant Center feeds and talked about how we can fix them. I hope you found this video useful. You can post your questions in the comment section below. To know more, refer to the links mentioned in the description. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more such content.